All right, guys, welcome back. So I got the Steeda blow-off Pro Flow adapter on now, and I just was going to do a little sound clip for it. And I'll be honest, it's a lot louder. It's a lot louder than I thought it was going to be. I got my son in the car now, but we'll do a few revs. I mean, we're in the garage, but it's a lot louder than I thought it would be. So just go ahead and give it quick revs, just a couple, you know. What RPM was that when you did it just now? 1.5, 1500. Okay, so do 3 real fast, you know. Go ahead, do it a couple more times. It's about 3, 3.5. Okay, so let me go in the back. Okay, do it again. 3. Okay, do it again. At least 3. All right, do it again. Yeah, it's pretty loud. So that's the Steeda Pro Flow blow-off valve, guys. Thanks for watching.